biggest video marketing problem: ranking. Please listen carefully and tell me if this is your case. You create awesome looking videos. You have valuable content. You try to target a specific keyword. You upload your video on YouTube and hope for the best. I'm calling this hope marketing. What good is creating tons of videos if you don't get traffic and leads from them? If you are doing hope marketing, then boy, you are on the wrong path. All those viral videos and those channels with millions of subscribers, they are not hoping. They are targeting. But here comes the problem. For targeted marketing, you need a lot of time, a lot of team members that will analyze the entire niche for you. Analyze each video in your niche and find out from where each videos get all the views. Create a report with all the possible keywords, all the possible related videos. Create the perfect balance between keywords, views, likes, SEO, and social media. This takes a lot of money and a lot of time. YouTube used to be the perfect place where everybody had a spot to do marketing. Since the corporations came on YouTube, and every successful YouTube partner has a team of marketers behind them who analyzes every punctuation mark. You, the average marketer who doesn't have $1,000 budget to create and promote a single video, can't profit from all the traffic from YouTube like you used to. We hate this. When we started doing YouTube marketing, things were much easier. You've created a video, uploaded, picked an appealing thumbnail, and bam! You are on the first page of YouTube, and you are getting tons of traffic. Now ranking videos on YouTube in hard niches is more and more hard, if not even impossible. As I said, you need to take tons of factors into consideration: title, description, views, interaction, channel strength, caption, annotation, exact match, partial match, related keywords, social media shares, likes, and many other strange factors. And you have to analyze all these factors for every particular niche. This is taking hours, and without a team behind you, you will get sick and tired and you will come back to hope marketing. Believe me, you will get tired researching for hours before uploading a single video. But here's where we come to help you. We will help you stop doing hope marketing. We worked for months to back engineer YouTube ranking system, and we automated everything in a very complex algorithm. Yes, we are able to reverse engineer YouTube. You want proof? I'm sure you've heard about Game of Thrones TV series. We wanted to give a hard niche to our algorithm, so we went and tested it with Game of Thrones keyword. And we were blown away. We ranked on position 3. We are getting thousands of views each day on a single video. In less than 1 month, we got over 200,000 views on a single video. The whole process for this video was generated with 1 click with Video Marketing Blaster Pro. Let's rank videos on YouTube once again with ease. Wait, Video Marketing Blaster Pro is much more than a ranking software. Video Marketing Blaster Pro is the all-in-one solution for any YouTube marketer. It will suggest viral niches, will give you keyword suggestion, will analyze and spy you competitors, will rank your videos, and will keep track of all your videos over time. You can't ask for more than that. It is like you would have a 20-member team behind you, guarding and figuring out your next move. If you want to start to exploit the power of YouTube, then Video Marketing Blaster Pro is for you. What are you waiting for? Buy VMB right now, as spots are limited.